What are you doing? What you doing? Quit dancing. Who's that? Teddy? Can you give Teddy a hug? Give Teddy big huggers. Oh, so good. So good. Are you having a tea party? You're having a tea party. With some food? Apple? You're such a good girl. Yes, because you are a big sicky head today and yesterday. But you're still playing. Right? You say, hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Carolyn. I'm wearing my monkey shirt. Thank you for my clothes. I got some clothes from you yesterday. They're super cute. You want Grandma Carolyn to have a tea party with you when she comes? Yeah. Say hi, I love you. Mwah.